Alright guys, today we're featuring a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's got a clean Carfax report. It's a one owner. It's got 23,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty, and it is a four-wheel drive. It's this really cool lunar silver metallic paint. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around on it. But the first thing we notice right here on the hood is just a minor scratch up here. See that there? Another small one here. We'll go ahead and make our way down the passenger or the driver's side of the vehicle. One thing we notice back here on the passenger side door, small little scratch right there, looks like it's been painted over. Everything looks okay here. Go ahead and make our way to the back of the vehicle. A couple things we noticed back here. First of all, a small scuff right here on the back of the bumper, followed up with a small little ding. Let's see if I can pick this up for you right here. I don't know if you can see, that's just a small little ding there in the back bumper. Everything else looks really good back here. And these are just minor issues too, very cosmetic scratches. Really small ding there. A small scratch here on the back quarter panel as well. We'll make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything else looks really good down through here. No problems. And we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. One more thing I wanted to mention right here on the roof of the vehicle is a small ding with a couple of little chips of paint missing right here. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look inside the vehicle. It's come with the black cloth, kind of the cross stitch pattern there, really cool. Everything looks really solid with the seats in here. Cloth's in good shape. See, it is a four-wheel drive. So I'll give you a shot of that there. Automatic. Nice layout. The CD player. We'll go ahead and fire that up in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. The steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Also give you a readout on the mileage there. So we got 23,441 miles. See if I can get in there a little tighter for you. There you go, 23,441. Alright guys, just wanted to show you a quick layout of the dash, the climate control features here. We've had the air conditioner blowing now for about 10 minutes and everything's blowing really cold there, no problems. CD player. We'll come down here and show you it is equipped with four-wheel drive as well. Got that for you. Let me give you one more shot of the mileage in case it didn't come up a while ago. 23,441. And I'll pan out a little bit and let you check out the Bluetooth. Steering wheel audio features again. We'll go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Cloth seats back here. No problems with them, everything looks pretty good. Do you see one little issue right here with the seat? Maybe it's a little scratch right there in the cloth, not a rip. Maybe just a little wear area there. But everything else looks really solid with the seats. The carpet down here looks okay, no problems down here. We'll go ahead and take a look at the driver's side view. Give you an idea of the layout in this Mitsubishi Outlander. This Mitsubishi is equipped with third row seating. I'm going to go ahead and let you take a look at the third row seats back here. Black cloth as well. It's not that cross stitch pattern as on the front seats in the back seat. One thing I wanted to show you back here, just a slight cigarette burn right there in the third row seating. Plenty of storage area back here in the hatch. That is the third row seat right there, which doesn't leave you too much, but you just go ahead and pull this tab up here. Seats come down. Pull the tab up on this one. See, it goes down, and that opens it up for you back there. Gives you a decent size amount of storage back there. And everything looks to be in really good shape back here. Go ahead and give you one more look back here at the back seats again. That really nice cross-stitch black cloth. But that's the area that I was speaking about before. Let me get out of the light there. It's just a slight, let's see, there we go. It's just a slight rub right here on the seat. Nothing major, just real minor. Just want to point that out to you. And also want to show you a quick shot of the passenger's front seat. Let you take a look at the cloth here. Everything looks in really good shape, no problems. Very clean. We'll go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. Alright, this SUV is equipped with 18-inch alloys. A really sharp looking alloy there. Tires look in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them, as you can see. Alright guys, once again, it's a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's got 23,000 miles on it. It does have a few scratches, a couple of small dents on it. Other than that, it's still under factory warranty. It's in great shape. It's a clean Carfax, one owner. So come down, check it out for a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.